everyone. I just wanted to make this little short video to go over a little bit about the assignment. So you're going to be doing the Works Cited page, and then here are your resources. You're going to use one ebook, and it can either be the ebook that we chose from the EBSCO or the OneSearch, or you can use your ebook from the Gale reference database that we used when you were doing your background research. So either one of those you can use. I want you to use 2 peer-reviewed articles, which you already have, 1 magazine article, so choose the best magazine article from last week's assignment that you want to use, and 1 newspaper article. And then here you're going to open up your Word PDF or a Google Doc, and then just follow all the instructions right here. I've also put on the assignment page a few things for you to look out for. I want you to go through and use the whole module and double check all your citations. But these are some of the things that I always find that students usually make mistakes on. So nothing is in all caps. It's the author's last name is first, not the other way around. The title of the article is in quotation marks. So that's any of the periodical articles. Those always have quotation marks. The name of the publication is always going to be in italics, and the name of the database where it came from will always be in italics. And make sure that you include a DOI or a URL so that I can find the article. For the ebook citation, it's the title of the ebook that is in italics. And then here's the same information. The author's last name is first, nothing is in all caps. And then here the name of the database is also in italics. And please make sure you include the URL. I'm going to show you some tricks. It seems like every semester, every time I teach this class, students have problems with their permalinks. So I'm going to show you a few things to get around that so you can find your resources. So if you've watched the tutorial page at the bottom of this assignment page, you'll see where I click on each of my permalinks and it takes me straight to the resource, and I just copy and paste the citation. But sometimes these don't always work, especially if it's Academic Search Complete and especially ProQuest for some reason. So you can always take the title of your book, copy and paste that, and you can either go to the database that you used, Academic Search Complete. Sometimes that will still have a problem. Or you can run it through OneSearch. And so here I'm just going to click on OneSearch and copy and paste it. And there it comes up right there, so I can just click on it. Now, a lot of students always try to use the citation from the OneSearch. Sometimes it has it, sometimes it doesn't. I always encourage everyone to use from down here where it says full text availability. So just go ahead and click on that and grab the citation from there. If you are going to use a citation from OneSearch, make sure that you include a link to it. So include a permalink, or even if it's just the one up at the top that's at the web browser, just so that I can find it. But ideally, I would like for you to take your citations from the actual source. And so that would just be right here, and then you would click on Cite, scroll down to MLA, and then copy and paste that, and then double check to make sure everything is correct. So by using the title in OneSearch or the actual database where you got it from, like for instance, ProQuest, the Los Angeles Times, you can just go straight to that database and copy and paste in your title, and it should come up. So usually those always work. If for some reason you have problems, just email me and I'll help you out. So here's the grading on it. This is worth 12 points. And I want you to get as great of a score on this as you can, because in the final is going to be 60 points, and 20 points of that is your citations. So once you do this well, and I sign off on it, you're already 20 points ahead in your final. So here's how this is going to be graded. And if you get it into me before next Sunday, I will put my feedback on it and you can make any kind of corrections and resubmit it for the full points. So that's one incentive for getting it to me early. Other than that, make sure you watch this video down here on the instruction page on how to do the MLA Works Cited page for this assignment. And if you have any questions, please email me. I am here for you guys. Okay? Bye.